How to delete Supercell account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the game that includes your Supercell ID. Let me head over to Clash of Clans. Once you are in here, tap on this gear icon at the bottom left. In here, tons of different options will be visible to you, but you have to head over to Help and Support. Tap on Account. Now move into Access or delete your data. Tap on Request deletion of your personal data. Once again, click on Delete My Data. It will show you the description about the deletion. In here it says, deleting data permanently erases your account, game progress, and paid and free in-game resources. When the deletion process starts, you can't play the game from your current device. The process can take up to 30 days and is irreversible once completed. Now what you want to do is scroll down. Tap on I agree to delete my data. Now once again, if you click on delete account, your account will be deleted successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete your Supercell ID. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.